wanke be boaboa ye ho nti wonni mu nti no kosoa na boaboa wo ho wote se sa anwumu ibo ana chese Ghana Today bre na dru so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sonie Ghana de hye yasama mu nyina chene amamakwa babiem yeda be masafo kantan kanse so de tip off no abrayen sabre ya yatena sidie de obonkrata ahodo ya aba emontene eso ne mu nkomo ene ye ba bedie yedi nkomo ne wiane ama wonso a wutie ne bre na wo de wadwenkyere no aba beto so de amayen enti kona koka ye ho e wo Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na YouTube no so Sompa FM Live na waka ye ho e wo ho yedi aseda ema endpoint homeopathy clinic sa wo maso ya sene endpoint homeopathy clinic ye bia ye ya yesa yade sa wo ho asem ena akwakwa ye boachi bidin se eye prostate tete mema premature ejaculation ye ho nkro ne ba ne de make sure so obeko endpoint homeopathy clinic sanse ho wudura na yade ne nyina atu ayera eye kidney eye liver ene ne ma bi etete sa ne nyina wo me ye ho adwuma physiotherapy ene massage Dr. Duboatin ene na pamfo no wo mo aye krado frɛ number yi e wo 0244867068 0244867068 ana 0274234321 ukɔ shell signboard ya e wo Spintex Road a wobehunu endpoint homeopathy clinic kronoma bo ehia so e wo Kumase bowura honom sɛ de be ya bekɔ akɔgye ayaresa papapa owofu awuchia no pay se wo pe baabi na wo de wo ba no akọ school no akọ gentiti sese de ehuma no foundation ye very very important enti no wo pe bia ya ye betimi ama oba no ntete esonko ye GS curriculum no na ye British de enso eka ho na ye de extra activities ahodo beti se swimming lessons taekwondo no mo ne ballet no mo ne won keka ho no na ye de nyina eka ho ama wo akoda no wadi bosome miensa 3 months a yeje wo mo enti free 3 months ekosi 5 years eye 3 butterflies school edine kurane na honam se kama pa nice environment na wode wo ba no akọ na summer school no nyame ya adoma 3rd August ekosi 31st August ena yede ebehyeje so wo hwehwe 3 butterfly school a ubehunu wo mo 8 Purple Street ewo East Legon eben Malcolm na udru East Legon na de ubisa se wo 3 butterflies a wo mo betro eben Malcolm 8 Purple Street uko www.3butterfliesghana.com ubenya details ni nyina wo ho email no so ye 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com uko hono nso a ubetimi enya access enti awofo bebia wo bia fa obane bra na yema foundation no enye solid enfama no number wo be friend penifo wo so eye 0556 094071 0556 094071 eno eye 3 butterflies school hajia special local foods and opebo wura ho na kopa aduane papa edie aduane bi a ya to din eye hajia special hacho atomic kwan so ehwo na behunu wo mo udu transition funeral home na ko wanim kakra bia behunu hajia special local food delivery services available 0246 359921 0246 359921 uwia no apekasa natural mineral water ne bi na wodi eguso amame kama kasa nsukrojen Kasaloma Ventures na akofade Abakay fa back hospital nechi ho no mo a eho na obehunu wo mo ensuo no ekoye enti mu a motonton depots ahodo a mo pebi na pure water for na ba beyi wo mo ho no kasa natural mineral water offer 0206 469430 won sabeka Kasaloma Ventures na woni wo mo edi nkomo 0206 469430 and 0303 965780 0303965780 na wodem ye kai wo se Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye da soa bodewuro me pa cho fa wadweton de ne bra ne yenye ho adwuma emfama ho sansa ha de ye ton ayeto se bia wa bie adwuma bi anase walonchi product bi apese publicity no kwa atwire uye event bi uye program na opese announcement ne kwa atwire Fabra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na yebebo hu dewuro ama results na wohwehwe no wonso wonsa atumi aka eti make sure so be for your client service line no 0531886216 0531886216 so frey beje so na enhihye bia ewo ho no nso no ye ne akokakra bi na obetua na wetimi a promote o business no ana wetimi a promote wajuma na woye no womadaroma na yede Ghana today na no pay Bremumidin di Adwoa Asare Obrempon na kwaku ampomodoma nkoma chiame na nkasa ono so atena se no pay yenko na yenkodi enkomo Sara enso na abena bedu adepa kofi Abakay ono so ababedu efiduemu hanum seya ye baba hwensema hodo ankrata no de aba anopai abidafo mama kwaba
yeah enia Adwoa na ho ye de
nyame adom na wonso e
nyame ho waye na de ni biom
ye de nyame asese ne den so wode acheyen ene eye Tuesday kakran August no July no so na ye de kwa kogu na chese by Saturday ne die na ye de bosumi nso akwa awiye na 1st August no enso aba nti wo bibi ya no waye ne ntem sanse ebre eni ho emfa manipa ye sha afe na se nanu yeyi ye nyan kwa wie the 7th month of the year enti ye da erade ase the bonkrata no so aba anopai daily guide eda menim hanom sei na kwaku
okay na chronicle so di biaba
as a times as a sun interface ne kakra na ye menim so as a colors no ana
especially blue
right na aba so then
daily graphic
okay
and a post
right enti kwaku ne hyase na ana ma men hyase wa ha na mingi daily guide no infri honum tew na anopen some daily guide yaba no was say Exim Bank case want to me get more time for plea bargain deal and no ewo kratafa etoso miensa say mwanimu some dada say chema want to me enye yi galamse ho asam na nko ana eda court o Exim Bank nsensem no so da ho ya enra lawyer fo ni kopie mu ewo court a sa plea bargain no enum nkomo na wo mo ekwakodi en Ghanaians dodo no Ghana for dodo no ehu ni se ne kwanso no sanse nipa ni mukura wadamu dada enti afe ni yesan be ye nya afe ni ye besan ba be sentence aba be niema enti sise ya na lawyer for no de ba na ban na nwene ho na de ye beboa oman no asan boa chema wuntumi no wo mo engine tumu sika na wo betua no anye be kure betimi aboa so kete Ghana wo baabi ye di sa sika ne be ye bibi enti eno so ho asem ena no pay daily guide yaba 2 cath workers convicted for forgery okokratafa etoso ensia ewo guide mu a eno so wo ho 93 arrested for drug trafficking yesi nipa aduokro miensa ne akere wo mo ewo Kumase atwumanwa bieja mensinu emu ewo Asante Mantamu se wo mo eye enrobone ehu adwade enti suspect no ena wo mo mfonyini gu ha niam ye ge yenso ena ye display ewo wo manimu IGP ne nkrofo no wo mani abrepa enyasam ketuawu wo mo kiremu se enya de a wo betena se ayenhwe han masa ne mankoso edini de edoso enye ne nyina no wo mo de aba 93 suspect de wo mo doso nemum campaigns no Nuruddin Gafaru 28 Abdul Gafaru 29 Idrisu Al-Hassan aka Tagor 33 Akwasi Afriye 27 ena Prince Chidera Okekelawe 25 wono ye Nigeria ni ena womo emfonyini eda hayi enti unya daily guide na akokrata fa etoso miensa obehunu bi ewo ho na ena akosua ka tun ode ba wo say GH Press Freedom today 2026 ni nyina no asembisa ya akosua wo bisa wo say ene ensemtwofo say Press Freedom ne sa na ema no 2026 na akwakosi sen eno so ehun question mark ne da hai Buankra project SC Supreme Court didn't affirm High Court ruling eno so ewo kratafa etoso miensa honom na saa konfo anochi workers ya ye kan omo asem Evelyn Atama nkwa na Collins Ajimanbedu man yasene nim ye familia womo eye adwumayefo a womo di womo dwuma ewo Komfo Anoche Teaching Hospital ene se ya convict womo se womo aye forgery kenkan niema hudo bi abomu ni ade ama sese no asokwa circuit court 2 womo asem da honum ya mfonyinu nso eda ha okokratafa etoso ensia wonsa ebetimi akabi na wakenkan ewo ho Adamus Crowned Intermine Quiz Champions eno so ewo kratafa etoso ensia ewo Daily Guide de obokrata ni mu anopei wo mafa ensem ne bi ede aba kwakutu aso e
adwa baby adisi ye no amensha se mfiri ho ewo Ghanaian Times mu Adamus nkomo yi Adamus fo wo mo de no ewo hase ya se ne waka ne ya ba Chronicle so ka different thing nti de ho nso Adamus Chronicle de ba bi wuram sisi a na wo de abaha no akrampo na dumienu kase no so ne gina mu denden ICU fo ne vacuum nkomo no eno ewo hase ya wo de aba wa petition president anura ebi bright na ekwaje petition no a sa bre de me yesho se adura bankasim se wo emaili wo se wono ade fa moto kura no a bia wo de aba biduru ya me yesho se mampani nsa kan so ni nyina mu no se na allegation ni bi bebre no akọ ni nua Ibrahim Mahama so se da binya no kura wo mo niti wona kura nsusu ho no aso ho dae se wo kwa kwaje vaku e de aka na ma ho na niam a wo ye kura no wono se na wo ye busy no vaku kura de nka na de ho na yero gusitando enye papa na 24-hour economy
initiative
anam de dane market no one of the behind watches
yes mo nya abotre
after almost 2 years yehu abeke ho one of the behind no just be my e say ye ne a wodman kuma ne niam a wode a chen esi nya so mfa so e ho nkomo wa ha Ghana fo mienu sesi a wo mo da sukotwe adaka mu e wo South Africa xenophobic attack ya simhunu ya wo modi South Africa ho e ho nkomo e wo ha se a yera Alex Mood wona no nso ne mfoni da ha wono nso kire university fo no say wo mo ma wo ne ma wo mo ye nyina no enye nation building and societal challenges ya wo ho no wo mo mfa me solve societal challenges ya ho ne mo nya say wakosuku awie no de abe unemployed graduate association sa de na enye nti Alex Mood e no de aba ha se a e mo nkomo enso eno no na menya dwi na menka Chronicle emo hu taw na menko Chronicle say ya yenkenkan 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 7 ofa ya no part of me because 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 7 what the about ha Adam so nkomo no a na meka say Chronicle the different opinion the aba no na nanu ma wo sama ana wo mo say he wo mo nkwati a wo mo te say wo mo say wo mo support Adam sufuo wo mo say hwe for the way Adam sufuo wo mo hia mo ne wo hia mo china nti mo crown 2026 intermine safety quiz kura no a wo mo so mo hia mo se mo kuku ne mo nkaka na mo nkom ba bi e ho nsem no na we yilo krobo MCE ne mfoni ada page 2 ewo Chronicle mu na asem bi a wo ka no eye animsem owofo wo ha tie me wo mo MCE ne ka say Francis Akumate Ado wo ka de a kire adesuafo no se womo wezu no munsu ade yiye pa wo nya so mde mani ato juju so no na juju nchire exam juju nchire exam nkoda na shase efire
ni bi wo ho
o se
ebi wo ho
hwe se ne o tete
de chire exams
ne o tete no ne wo ho pati enti MCE ka kira de suanfo nti owofo oba na wa twe ne nika ato ne to ase edne nam nyina edne ne ato se juju be chire exam mama no wa muani na ho a oba no de nani ato juju so Takwa Mines lease renewal a home common say go face for free South Africa so ya we adwa abena so ya we say go face for free South Africa
yeah
na o dey here Goldfields put 8 cards on the table hwene ma wo so ma 2025 nkwa wo mutua 5.8 billion Ghana cedis eno ye to nti ono e to kese eno utua afi wo mutua 8.8 billion Ghana cedis local procurement 2025 and one more signed $110 million at the Asian infrastructure musi good fields near him mam
nano o my hen na o was area ho so o ka kire mu say wo mo mayo mo ntwhwe mu ahu say eto da na yesi han en wo mo ba be boa en na mining areas na adwuma beba en na ho ahwan imagine say wo no yere wo ho scenario de ba ye new wo so no yere te now salary ye 120,000 Ghana cedis na bosom ne so ama na 1,000 Ghana onimo onim enti won complain obehu se na o salary no 120,000 ama na 1,000 Ghana
na so aya de enti ama na 1,000
se si o mani anwan wo mahunu pa se ade amfaso ankese se wo munya no wo munya ne sa wo mba no ma be pone kuma bi dia mo oman no kuma bi go back
omina they will go back ajo abere nti ma me nko chronicles me fo adwempo a wo de ba ye say you matter for say ntade fon wo monye wo musku mu obiom we a student wo you matter I want to mention ntade fon
University of Mines
I'm telling you
and the technology takwa okay
wo mo say wo ye edusuani e wo ho a sa hwembe bi mame ma we sa msim hunu ntade ye nfa bi ma you mat eno na se mufo ahwe din no se legonfo nsua UCC fo nsua Christian Service University fo nsua bi Ghana Technology University fo se hwanfo wo mo nyina nsua bi na nkwa Mount Crest University ane ba ku Obrempon so wo mo nyina hwe no mo nsua ne Kwame Nkrumah Mamola odim Kwame Nkrumah Mamola
ai
so hunu ne okuma se school kase ne okuma se wo mo nyina nsua na we ye papa na adan ya say ye de ye frey en tertiary nti ye ya tete ne ya hia ye ho ne ye
maybe am kase schools be wo ho you can't do this day and none want the course wo UPSC no if you kura wo uniforms
exams ye ma school ni kura say ye nyo no abetwe exam ni mpo na no alata wo mo ye say ntade fun nti wo mo man crofo abetwe exam na manfo odi wo matem Nigeria University of Nigeria no mo say ana you matter for say o ba ye ba hwe trunk ye ba hwe bag mpo pioto kura de ba kura be hwe ene ntade say transparent ntare ade ba betra se de pioto fia gistring e de abehjem de abetra campus wa ne nyina ye be hwe enti ene na asamfo say ye hwe na ye hwe ye na e be ko ye pa Gideon bo ko say aban wo man no sika ye sika sam ya recovery process no enamu no abane person say history no na no a wo mo kire wo man Ghana ye history abobre ne ya mamre no na mo say yes say man no history na so economic recovery history de mo de mpesa mo sesa no eno ho nkomo wo de aba e wo chronicle mo wo say yenkenkan 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 7 na ne ho ni brofo no say 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 7 think over what I say ne ya kan ha no mo nwene ho for the Lord will give you understanding in everything. Think over what I say, for the Lord will give you understanding in everything. I said,
or say reflect on what I am saying.
More
reflect,
for
the Lord will give you insight into all this.
More but na hani ya ka Ghana Education Service more
Chino say hunu de mesie
ni ye kan hunu
na Awurade bema wade Awurade bema wade nyina mu ntiase
Awurade bema wade nyina mu ntiase se ye ntan obi
hunu de mesie
na hunu ne ye asie se ye betena ha ne ye ka migration asem a enye se ye taamo asem kakra ye be ka ye nti mo tan ye enti hunu na men tan ye na emom hunu ne ye kan na Awurade ma mu ntiase se be Ewura Ghana Education Service.
Okay. Yo. And ye be ko ho aba. Yenkwe.
Adwoa memfa daily graphic de obokrata no mfiri media say truth and accuracy every day. Na kesepa me hu omenye sana hene Dr. Kasewa to ba Forson and wo da he yasem wo kanyina ne say Ghana complete IMF bailout into the final $360 million no empanifo chire mu say aba ti say ne kwata 3.3 billion sika wonu mokopaye no aba in trenches sa bibia akọ ewiye krata fa to so miensa daily graphic de obokrata yi abomu amane ewo hanom ese ya yenso yedane atwe ede asomwo na mempie mo e krata fa to so nom e daily graphic de obokrata yi mo besen finhia enanie e na to renchem esi Pristia Hunu Valley apiate ye nyina ebe kaya yenkai ye ho eyawde na so adehye ni bi kire mu se phase 3 no ebesi sabrei wanum enye ho hwe ensu oto a wo mo yam awie ba wo mo yam enti no mo sere mpanimfo ada se wanum mehwe ne complete infama wonum ye no so daily graphic de obokrata yi atu bia mane de aba hanom ese yada ne atwire opiemu ewo Togo a yase mpanimfo eye protest bi wo ho ne nyina efa se constitution no a mpanimfo yi niema bi afri mu no opposition fo no akwakwa join ne adehye ewo Togo ya wanum sem wo kan nyina ene se yen return to previous constitution no eno na wanum eye hu de day daily graphic de obokrata no atubi ede aba ene anopai na yakwa krata fa eno so etoso edu ba ko na empanifo ede aba wonum ebo amane mehwa ha sei yenkwa krata fa etoso du nsia no emom opani a yen ni foforo kro a na se yabo ne din ese omeye Nigerian High Commissioner a wono obehwe Ghana so Shehu Ilu Badi na ne dini a wonam ede baye eno no wone yeso ani a wono hwe amano ne ho nsam so ejina ha enaja wa present krata idi ma no fefefefefefe na Owura Asame Okujeto Abrako no nyafo ka kire owura yi a yayi ni foforo kora Nigerian High Commissioner yi se de SC ewa Nigeria ho no mo a Owura Asamjo na ne campaign wo ho empanimfo bi ene atemamufo bi eye niema bi wo ho no wonhwe na won intervene animu ya na bibia ntimi enkoye ewo afa ho and political blended programs opani wakasai eye Professor Obrempon Boaten na yetwa no de abeto se dwumadie bi ho a ebebo pa se empanimfo eye nso behu ane se ye the party colors ne de drum ho eye na ha dwen empanimfo nhwe na wo munyi sa ne ma ne nyina akwa emfiri hodom empanimfo se wanoma hyase a wo mobobo media fiscal policy review no ho omaye sa na hene kopiemu e wo mrahye bedwam no oman na akwamabo sika ninche mumienu no ensam na won mu di tu dwane nyina no omuso omatena se won mu bobo hu nemom omo agane to Friday yakopon ya adom a efiada won besan so akwakwa se chairman odine hu koka ene ka se wose NDC amanyoku ani de wo mu campaign message o mu di ba ye nyina no wono no fi se wo mu wini nye de wo hu kura ena wonum eye atese omo mono masa ye no nso mu nsam krata yi di bi abai base movement for one so say wo mu ye press conference Sunday no opani ono ya founder Edima Kono aye Dr. George Otibonsu was say ni de wanum abo onunya for Kennedy wo hene akomprakon Japan dini esa 2028 wanu ne be lead the base movement ya krata yi etwa bi ede aba wo hanom se adane atwi ede asomefa daily graphic ento ho no mo na me ko daily post na obo krata nim empanimfo akire mu se opani a wono da Ghana Medical Trust Fund ano wakokopie mu ewo otukuru ne krawe ngoma so na so otutu ababio na kache na wakobrief no eniema wo mu di gu akwamu said ye Ghana Medical Trust Fund dwumadie no ebetumi akoso de ompese wo mu extend kodro no na ama ayahye ene ayasama panso etumi akoye no de nyina no akwakoto opani anim nyafo kwabna mitaka ndo so ka ho bia ne sam no kwaya bomu bebre e de akyeremo daily post kata feto so miensa anafe enkono no sansemi elho Ibrahim Mahama denies interest in vehicle acquisitions and no said ye na bimo ka se vehicle adwumako no empanifo asa ompese wo mo eton ana wo de ma ankrankra adwumako bi no ebimo pointe ne nsa ewo no so wase wo no enye sada na ntimi so ento sa no nso mu nsam Julius Zebra ends PhD in Muslim we then okay Muslim and Heritage Studies Mahama congratulates him yo and also some our krata fan I don't know etoso biensa e daily post de obo krata yimo already this miracles aboaje and wada ha yo was say empo no si yamfa ne say 2028 say Ghana ye fuel no betimi aba former ba bedu 4 cedis ne say cedi to dollar no eye 1 cedi kurampo a NDC will still lose the power into no and also some ewo krata fan also etoso edom ewo daily post de obo krata yimo onyenyafo Dr. Kasewa to ba force say said ye empanimfo ede ne magugu akwan no ba beboa ama state owned banks no bibia tumi akoyi no so emu nsam ewo krata yimo ensam ne bia wode ba ye daily post and afei daily graphic de obo krata makansimu a medi mu nsam asubui
meda sipi Ebusuafoɔ sabre wo nso wobɛtumi aba ahoma ne so na wode wadwenkyerɛ no aba beto so ɛyɛ 0260196064 0260196065 0260196064 196065. Hello, good morning.
Hello. The church I'm not a and yet my mom, you have my Ghana. Now, the secretary. Same thing. And I want to take the be for free national organizers who are straight to first batch chairman. And there will be a question who are also about the greater Accra, who I organize and a weaker. Ajia, also about for national treasure. Yami can you say, an opinion is a more can crata. They are found to India and Nikaya. Now, a grown man, they say, what send the culture president, Mama, because it's an idea and echo, rather than your money to what you say. Now, the American is another pay. And somewhere, Mama also any woman. In fact, if you are king, any a lot of wood in American was them. The Rabbi Ghana and you remember new. Women are so what are the Gua? What you say? A big some money, a busy Gumapa. In the Abano Quaban or Fasua, Tango who will be so on a crime, woman with Gua Bibri. No one takes him some money and or Maui because Omana your fashion kill. There must be about to say a sumpi. Bye bye.
Ejani mo medasi. Hello, good morning. Mr. Nokrasa. Erade adom na nso e.
Mami fo akonya iso. Na mi cha Dr. Julius Gebra, Chief of Staff. Bedi obi nyame ka no Dr. Moba for National Vice. Kojo na nkwa ene otu da kwa mo Deputy Communication from Mekao. And I'm Piama Justice Yabo, no so Deputy National Organizer. Josh Amako Communication and Forestry Commission. Obapa, the better excellency to the line, Mahamasi. On you have to force any chief of staff, your bomb abasso, and to your path, our more to submergency. Oh, a branch here. When you go for one come on, Oshramo, you don't see. Now you have Attorney General, as I say, you was Sastiano, Oshamokina, because before the $1 and the Dukuru were married. Omuba, you almost be almost share $1 and then your energy. It's 24/7. You bought my basso, they will corona mobile. And yes, Attorney General, Omushamokina, not the donor, Omoni, your French or my yet is an Anakufadwa, Omoji to Anumdi to Omuka. Yes, sir.
Mr. Nokrasa Medasipi. Hello, good morning.
One morning, Miniabana Pumpi say you.
Eradia Dumpacho Wine Abasui.
I'm Indian and Alabama, I'm a gripping neighbor now, and they are not going to be in Can on your career. When we say, Yamia, Nanapame, they call executive member of country no. Now you can thank also for secretary of country no, the Drew Abakay. And I am a man. Abigail on also by National Uma Organizer, you got the same on also by National Deputy Organizer. Na yabo Dr. Julius Gebra Abasona na Jumapa wa yabo my Ghana. Na yada yura to 14 ase. Then a Jumapa obo yura John Dramani mama appointing obo Juma. And ka person ka budget that am the particular tax for we aba. But na da ro man say na Jumapa wo yin nkino. And then she can tell you the being na Masemba kwa American say or man you hear Juma and sugar fortune near Sierra and Adaroma among first can show and now Muntimima Mabronia Jumania Piapo sugar no Umutinga Jumania Nabi Bianet and Koye and Jumano and let you say Jumana a more bad and then Kupanyana Diano and Membria sorry Ako Crancoco and then Moka Wamanone. The discussion was Mrs. Anya Manina, Dabwaman and Punchu, among 4 years cash, Butuma Piapono, and a Kakadurni Sanya Mantia, Adrift minister, for in its own first cash or that be the and now shall be a ye. Me a threat, 3 years and you'll be a man in now. Then the ones who near the rubber beat to one or the quality to idea. What's that one myself and then Riviana and better as I bring up yes, and mana. And so much of me.
Nana Medasipi, hello.
About the pass from Panama to say another thing.
Eradia Dumo now so.
Oh, I don't mean I say ye. It has been a match of the Ammonia. Mamma, I'm bringing here, even Fabian.
Aye.
Mammy Chairman MC, Honorable Kuna, People, and Honorable Adwoa of the East. Namin say a delegate full now, Mr. Osman, aka the door of a chairman. They do have and check. Momayan Kayano, Nana Otudako, and Kojodankwa, a National Deputy Communication Officer. Oracle Blessing, I must say, of a Regional Secretary or Greater Accra. Abigail Elom, a National Women's Organizer, a Bebomun Nechidon, of a New Brown Forestry, the chairman of a TDC board, carries Macafuni, Namincha, Dr. Julius, Honorable Debra, when Abudi, Namenkan, Nakuma, so the Embre Moman. Minyaba, you see, I am a tell me and your NPP for no more catch or mobile or more in Amania Maboni. Did the Mobom was and I'm on a jelly and 415 years, President Kufa Bremujeli and another Akufa Bremujeli. One pill, and I'm on team once a DC that, and yet, move at sunlight. Oh, some getting us and some bats my ready, which mean I shall know this. So this is the time for accountability. Just back up plan of one here. Hey, and you're doing Kuka network to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Somebody. One year with it. Aba also ODI. And so I know channel. It's one year being a more fair cotton. And the
Eben Medasipi 0260196064 196065. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. Me pacho me hoye na onso e.
Na mi ku subo me kumba ma ta fu mo ne bre.
Pacho hwan na abasu yi.
Me pacho mi din edike kire ahun fe. Lo fi Madina.
Ke kire yenti ofri Madina.
Mami che Nyankopon. Nyankopon che mi chana mi chia Ghana man penyini eye ni onyanfo nyans ya ahun fe dua. Ejon ama don't this year. I mentioned Baba. The Pacho, the Ufa course, me Pacho, catch your producer. We a special request. Mumbo, you mammy. No qualify, me, you was on you. So, free, you, my pa, say, will you be query, pa? Don't I know. Mammy, me no caso.
Ke kire kasa yeti o wota na na ekono.
Ayo, me na the bomb me. Mama, she was Dabani, a friend named Tony General, and Mahama. Minia, yes, one wow, 7 years, sir. In 24 and 2 as I'm before maybe a tree, not I want to miss for mine, say, Nika, the Fagana, and we are saying up one nebo, and ne. Baby, I don't know people first, and yet to mean chain taxi and chair no macra. Media, the catcher, Tony Jen and Muhammad Senna Mufiasenu, the Sia car, a year, Canuforiata, on the Peraka, the Siano, so being friendly, I yet am I want to me, then say to a nipple way, the word is busy, a year, our friend, a criminal, may never.
Catch me that's 0260196064 196065. Hello.
Good morning to find my papa back there.
Good morning.
Pacho bright Nina
Abuso kai intio.
Pacho metre moya na mache line ama ya wai line na moshi ntiye musa na mafaya na ya kuma ntiye tremo pa ndazi. me fa kunya wo so na mintia honorable Peter Kusimensa of the Mashi Piat, Deputy CEO. Na mintia Chief of Staff honorable Zebda. Man, congratulations and an opinion. Na mestre region from na Yenya honorable Amos Blessing. The Oracle Ma of Regional Secretary. That's so Amoka and Namuto Abamano. That's na honorable Nana Utu. On also call for National Deputy Communication Officer. That's now honorable Apollo. Call for Trouble Deputy Communication Officer. Or constituency. That's why Amoka. Honorable Alaji Yakundo Abutu Kasa Mikan Papa. Me pacho maybe sa MP before and an apply say. Exit bank loan now. Chama unti me ekoji or the bread MP before Eddie campaign now. And Omaji Chama unti me case ya say Omu DH. Etina say Bonia Chama unti me di nano. Former President Akufo-Addo, any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, any MPP Funna, any movie, because Okoji Scanner or the drum, and then Omunna Muse, or Mudicha Mahmoud Nieti, and one of Muti on a walker, and I ended the 4
Bright Medasipi. Hello. Oroba kwesi buate.
Mami, moving in for the now, Papa. I got that I was a bunch of way.
Eradiadum.
Young boy, Papa, live from Cantamento Market, Accra, Ghana. Obrempon, Apamdada, Miami Young Jerry. Mammy, Bajo,
Obia Huye, Yadas.
Yet already say, you, the Bajo, said, what Mamma, you are funny, and the Biana, the person, Tiam, to be away. Yeah, that's what I say. I'm going to come down. I say yesterday. Greater Accra woman organizer. Obana will be a coaching. Nobody can go on. MPP for a serious me at the power. Yeah, Greater Accra woman organizer. The woman a coaching. So no one or Sepata. Or no better get mano. The Minstrano. Now we made a worker. What Jago? That's right, German. Everybody can go on. Champion about pet. For them, Baku pet. That's right, German. Oh. Nana B is by chairman. I got in Yangopon. Upon work, school day was at Antamaya. Nana B, but don't go. Mama by school back who goes see it. Yamincha Papa. Idea look at national treasure and I got the Serbiacon. And Papa Baumi, the Archie president. Yamincha Papa. Adwoa Asare. Anna and this is what we have to work on. Papa. And as any ever chemo, and the actually, the Pacho, my own to me, the actually, I got the Pacho, I don't buy Joboa.
No credit.
Not dancing, I got a good so. Joseph, you mean, and a banker. I had the SDC for the car say, almost 2 gallons you, and this is why the buy has 2 gallons you. Now, over the edge of my year, the dear the poor battle, the Papa Baby, I think I take him. Hey, Ibrahim, my back, the Bacham. The Munimo, a couple of emergency, or be on top of water, the Bacham, and you would want to 2 years for me elsewhere. And I saw 4 Ghana heads out for that. I saw 4 Ghana heads, who big sorry Catapa. No, we know Robo coming home.
Or Robo Medasipi, and pay. Hello. Yeah, me who you announce way.
I have any answer about Kobu this year. I don't know if you are what they are about the
Oh, Kafra. Sound tribe, you why. Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Nana ya oyinti wa no pe.
Sorry, man, you get it.
Yeah, radio no si obi credit asane. Adena yeka. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho
Nana Irini.
Pacho Nana yire kasa free. mpacho da bi adwoa nie nanama erade adom
itu kwan kakra ntina mo ntemenka
no kre ye mo akwaba
ya nya pacho amape de mepia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na matia Jakin Kodia na matia Hadia Sofia Muhammad John Wodu de domu obi anya menka omo na menia obi ba yo say entity for twegu chama wuntini echi na de sika no ojebre ya na me pata me busa NDC ni say Merchant Bank loan na Ibrahim kwaje ya no so Ibrahim Maham no so oje ma NDC kwa na enti adia na ebisa wuntima mu no eya susuka oyonko de chama wuntini de enkwoti aga because wuni etubi Joseph Abanga Joseph Yamin chama kutu wo mu na etubi na se wajja wo mu na ho na se wo kwoti chama wuntini de a Yankopon hatasoro or shadia mu ye nyina na BC for social mbaye NDC kwa na tese resort na bank na ye susu ama enkwala NDC Ghana da wo se mo ba na mo school mo ba na mo enkwala da eno na wo se mo ba mo hye wo asam na mo ka na mo da chama wonti ni na NDC je mo ko opposition ati se di tu fa yiem mo betu tu fa yiem baby mo ba fa ke ba mo ni
Nana Mameda CP. Hello, good morning.
Any amount of Joshua.
My patrol dini baby okase free.
Friend Evans, me fresh Ashama.
Evans yinti.
I'm paying a min sham on Yamotasi. In for a few days in Tia, they were watching Yanko, Professor Ba as a chairman. Any doctor and quite low Ashama. We have a me cop back or no, with the mama person autonomous. Imranti aya mukasama NDC. Sese muwa hine we juma. NDC Ghana Kwame Nkrumah juma oye na kodi NDC for. In that Lawrence law ba bekunku microphone. In some kana rewind there. Ne yire na media. Etosu bi mobile Moaton Trust Bank. Moaton Merchant Bank. Sese opese Oton Vancos. Now, Unquadia Aden, and now I saw for now, Yana Omukasano, Ghana. Go, the mine, gold mine, what on the Ibrahim. NDC mobile state facing corporation, cost store, lieutenants and a toy. And no more Kwame Nkrumah di Jay in a Mwatawapa. The Mantia Muba Mukasano, no, as you know, that's here, Manuma Juma on there. Nani nami blemu President Nana Kufuado. Oba ye NDC MPs a womu J double salary. Want to end the year. Opuni no ina ni namo. Opuni kokoto no ka jaja opesa obi na asem. Why did that? And now at 2 million.
Meda CP. Hello.
Aba ema being count.
Enka onso.
But your friend and I'm one of the boys. Lady kind, Lamentia, secretary. I am still maintaining incoming woman of the a financial person. Let me tell on a watch. I am a system. I am a mechanic control for a cow not maybe a possible man. The far of the most there. So you want to tell Mama, I don't start to have a media Ibrahim Mama. Today I'm a friend is bad, with a bad water, I'm a bank Mama. My mind, I'm a bank Mama. Then on fire. And no payment is bad when you start to jet of a $1 that's the mouth. You are very miserable and some of the for the top. And I don't know ever to say.
Nana mo akomeda say hello.
Hello,
Me ba cho ya me last call. Good morning. Yenti o Pablo.
We send it back, we send it back, we say we can we get everything. Not or minor MPP go to Ghana. I'm not told I died dead. I want to say, you don't come to me, man. Kind of crap the fire. I'm not to call Hanny. Kind of fire. If I might also begin and connect. Or my opinion, that kind means we send. That Oka and this or Cassapa and the people on the Cassapa me. You can know that I know what the show is. You are mammy to me.
Pablo Facheme o line no emu enye kra aha ena me day of frage medie no esi mo amutimi re mu yedamase mo amutimi nrem nyame yadoma wo chena ye beto aso yenko na birthday se wo ho no yenyi emfemfiri kwan no emu aba yenko
yo Adwoa meda say birthday we efri Kechre Obi edi ni juma I was Sompa TV Kumase na wase a glorious birthday to Techiwa Amasafua. A glorious birthday to Techiwa Amasafua, pharmacy student. Ya what UCC, Nature Cape Coast University no. Ain't no Techiwa Amasafua and that TV no eswono. From your mom, Linda Apia of Central SDA Church, Asante Aguna, and Afe Ella Ekahon. K ekaho ena Kechre Obi na ankasa pemunu ankasa etetri ena one more show happy birthday nti ne Techiwa Amasafo anyame hrawo bra wode afe ba ko aka wonfi hu na nyame enyo kese wabusua ena o family nyina ana afe wasoro omo edodododo wenso ede enono afe Techiwa Osa Emmanuela enso edi na woda Techiwa Osa Emmanuela Osa de na chese me ba no Techiwa Osa Emmanuela nurse ewo Canada from your mom Linda Apia of Central SDA Church Asante Aguna Ella Kahun K Ekahun Ena Kechre Obi na nkasa Sompa TV Kumase ono so Techre ene ye wish Techiwa Osa Emmanuela nurse awo Canada nyame hra wate nyame enyo kese ne free adomo eko adomo Yesu dia owusu ajeman Afrifa enso edi na woda Yesu dia owusu ajeman Afrifa ekosuku ewo Remage Carewell Inspirational School ye no ewo Bogoso wanya mfinhia no enwotwe we efri omame ene wo papa Mr and Mrs Afrifa wonum so omodododo nyini ebeye panimpa dachen nyame hrawo na ma wani so ade hunu nyina no emrem emfa emawo. Happy birthday to Mame ya wo doma ahinkro. Mame ya wo doma ahinkro. Nyankopon enhira Mame ya we efi wofa Shotman ye managing director ewo Gift FM doma ahinkro and wo se yemfa fidie so enwe show happy birthday Mame ya nyankopon enhira na onye okese onyi wonfu adomo enkwa adomo we so efi yenuanu ma eni omudi juma ofie ha apam dada ene betmice one ma say happy birthday to Bernard Togbo dodo na frɛ Sompa Bernard ne da social media no eso no odi ni juma ewo Spinters intini we no okwa sorry World Savior Church no ewo Spinters branch no intino apam dada ene betmice say Sompa Bernard nyame hira wo se Sompa ba ye wagye atum se twetwe na mfa ye nsi fom kra nyame nyo kese na omo ani so ade nyina emrem happy birthday nyame shop
Adwoa na ye nipa bi birthday wa ha na de ende no say birthday no do so pa
some any time
happy birthday nkoma Vida anochiwa abayie Vida anochiwa abayie odi ne dwuma ewo aboso kan ene eye na woda happy birthday we free danso abiam we say omano awoda pa enhira enkoso ni yedie ayemoma happy birthday and confirm na national and international reporter na no point cheku ana watwa we abai na we kwade ama Philomena Kuntu Blankson and your birthday inti happy birthday and confirm Philo enkomo na sanya nkopon onye wokese pa na baby a wosusu adu begina ni nyina no wonfa wonyina ho na womo ani suade ho nyina nso emrem kama emfa emawo abrantie yi your friend no Aurelia Wadamdaga Achu Aurelia Wadamdaga Achu we free o maame Faustina Akapaba eho we say happy birthday Yankopon ye okese o ma wonyini ntwamu amedu 106.5 ni nachi ho na sompa ne ho aketua pa no wonfa ne nyina emfa ma Yankopon wonhyira wo pa na le twato wo ha ne nyina na no pon chicheku adaworoma happy birthday en confirma era Bismarck Aboaje Dakwa or your deputy director of education ewo Kwa East esoro ho abitifine ne mpotamo ho ho na odi ne dwuma nti Yankopon enhira na onye wokese pa we everywhere unia kuma Akins Ejeda Kwa powered by national and international reporter na no point cheku say omoma awoda pa nia enkoso yedie ene nkwatenten apomdempa ewo mu na womo ede ma Yankopon enhira pa ajo say we dey ni aka dey memfa monitor wo ho na yengura chire hosisia na ajo na ye kwa Ghana Education Service.
Okay.
Nano Ministry of Interior ebebo Ghana mabuna po ebeji wo munsem sika bi. Sana no me recruitment o me nipa subscribe over 500,000. Yes sir. Sasa na Minister of Interior be muntaka be ka kire.
Na also ko GS.
Me ba me ko GS na me build ade ne dey free hotel.
Okay.
Say Interior Ministry be ka kire sana na recruitment o.
Yeah.
Nipa be over 500,000. Eno me ji obi 2.2. That's 220 million. Yeah, calculation. And almost for Musa.
Almost for less than 10,000. Almost for 7,000.
There be a new genius there now, 7,000. But make interior recruitment, interior ministry recruitment almost year.
And 5,000.
No, more 5,000.
5,000.
Inti adwa fa ko calculator na so sesia na bo ade bi ma metew na person magana fo nya nkomo na ye die no because genius and so calculation bi wo ho what do ho multiply 20 cities times would have 20 times 500,000.
20 cities.
Would have 20 times 500,000. 20 times 500,000. You be 10 million Ghana cities. In this car, say 220 cities, no 200 cities, no dear, near fancy forms, no dear. Into 20 Ghana, and that's no. Would multiply nipe call recruitment system, no so no. Sika omuji free om hoye be 10 million Ghana cedis. Me fa 200 cedis ne nka ho. 20 Ghana da so nko a. Wo me se wo me the refreshment amom so ye kwa na amount. Sa carbonated drink 5 cedis no. Ne amount crackers back no so 5 cedis. Wo maji 10 million Ghana cedis edi. Unim se Ghana Education Service e bi e portal se teacher for wo mu nwura so no wo nkoye recruitment ne bi no. Minister be ka kire se ni pay rura so ye be 40,000.
Okay.
Me home for 7,000.
Yeah.
So until I'm kind of 7,000 had a bit. And sana no na omodi kan promise Ghana for air core teacher training in nursing training say omo ba ombe mo automatic posting. Do ye ya odwuma da ho twen. Send your count na net na. Ena omo ba ya amaso sa no. Minister of Education Kojina Parliament 2025 say Womanya approval ebe friend nipa nko 50,000 in 2025. One omo ntimi amfa. And 2026 so be recruitment a. Omo friend nipa 7,000. 7,000 no, e mu 40,000 the report house no. E no crown omo ankate no a. Kapota ni blue ye. My first image na me friend kasem ni tew. Unim se sa nipa dodo a 40,000 the report no so no. Say a foul say am foul. I just out of voucher 25 cedis.
Okay.
Voucher ni ye. Nti say na tie ma message ni say quarter voucher. Nti multiply you have a calculator na so benya be 1 million bi ho. Multiply 25 by 40,000. Na Ghana for hu sika enkrofo Ghana mabunu a eni adwumaye abaya po a obo wom.
That's 1 million.
1 million Ghana cedis. Abaya Jeffrey, teacher for Omuni Edwuma. Already, Oma, air security service, Omuni Edwuma, Abaya Dikaji Bese, 20 Ghana, and 10 million Ghana cedis a free one. Teacher for you, so about 1 million free one. Say, this is a quarter voucher, 25 cedis. You better start to coins with it. Father, image to Sumami. Into we master the Makata voucher number. So I hear my dear Chilako Pako this Sunday. Enti uko wie now your payment you as a payment successful. Mami other image no so la second third one no. Uwie a I say coincidence and go actually ni. Enti 25 cedis 37 pesos but make up on to 25 cedis.
Yeah.
Udi si wie a ansa ne wahunu wo gina brase e fa wa na ayamfa. Enie ne die nie. Yamfa no waboka.
Na the directly. The why
no we say yamfa. Enti se wo be wo se ye fa wa, just aban juice ka. Ube say ya amfa so this aban san juice ka.
Hey.
Ai. Oh, anti security services ah. Ye kopem mu adwuma ye a. Aban no agi abo Ghana fo mabunu ani adwuma ye na. Wo muti street ne so. Wo abo mapo adwom 10 million Ghana cedis. Minka 200 no. 20 Ghana nko ano. 10 million Ghana cedis aban afa. Owie be ka che se omo ekon ye no kran fan abodamfo.
Oh.
Amadinya musa. Oh. Owie no sabe ka che se emu fa na kran se musa yare HIV. Emu fa na kran no emu this year adwan defense bi am bi am fa.
There be say e ya de so
na fa abodamfo. E fa yare HIV.
Wan kasa.
Oh, psychiatric problem ye dey. Nya dam no a. Enya dam. Ye wie ya teacher for nso a awie school. Ebi atena fie 3 years o. 4 years, 5 years. Na onko me bie portal ama no. Uso ba promise automatic posting ama. O ka say 2025 o fa 50,000 one fa. Afi 2026 o fa 7,000 na nipa 40,000 aba. Now they for 7,000 na for send your message say afa asa. Aban say on timi nye. Jesus sign bomb mapo. Eji obo bia 25 Ghana cedis 37 pesos. Every nsem okay kambo mu a watwam 1 million Ghana cedis. Aden. Bone be ne ayi aban. Obi you the image we to so free you the image we free so mame. Aban na yen ya to abade ama no no. Agi se wo sign be boy yen ya po. Agi yen nsem sika e wo bere ko a. Enti ne on se wo kopa adwuma wo ba bia na obi aka che o say se otua se yansa na mafa. Aban ne bonga aban ne ye. Enti individual so ya eye bone. Aban no agi sika free omanfo ne ho ansa na wafo madwuma.
2 wrongs don't make right.
Very good. Enti aban ne hu ne se oboga fo apo. Me say the Ghanaian youth is not angry enough. The Ghanaian youth is not angry enough. Now when that day ebesi se Ghana ni ne ba ne buafu aban a wono ato abade ama no ombeto bo ama me say Obrempon kai. Waban na hwe yi Ghana mabu na betene so atua no because me ni adwuma ye na ma adwuma nye na be sa abomapo age me nsam sika ketekete ya ka me de timi de ato sebe kurikuri anasa ma mbi ko de na me de anu mu awuo eno so aban ya sa ade adwuma no so a wansa ya mfa ama me bone be ne ayi aban no.
All right. Enti
Ghana Education Service we mu ya yi na no mu ntaka be boy apo ya nka hwe ye nwie ye ayi awna edrusu nso ne Clement Park te ho e bo Ghana teacher fo apo Ghana teacher for mo sa abo mapo na no achi kura no wo mo salary ne kura mpo ana aka mu ne kura no besi na ebi nya bi ebi enya 8 months ebi nya bi ebi staff idea de be migrate home ye mfa ma wo ye nka wo anwie ya ne ye woti fie so sa awia no o sa abo ne kro no
medas
na ye kotwa ye bia na ye nya ntwa ye bi to ka wanzam ho
right ebusia ye de asi Midindi Adwoa Asare. Ote